Hello again, it's Gumpa John, the cooking grandpa. This time I've got some hints and tips for you which the professional chefs often don't mention in their books. Starting with Yorkshire pudding. You don't have to buy the frozen ones, you don't need the packet ones, you can make them yourselves, it's very simple, this is what you do. Yorkshire pudding is equal volumes of eggs, milk and flour. So I've measured the first egg at 60. So I put equal volume of flour for that egg. I'm doing 2 eggs, so I want 2 of these. Two of those and 2 milk, 60, and 1 more egg. Now, I simply whisk this up to mix it, and then once it's mixed, the secret is to keep it for about 24 hours. Put it in the fridge, don't cook this today. Apparently the gluten relaxes or something in the fridge overnight. You don't have to get every single bit of lumps out, because you're going to get another whisk tomorrow. But that's it, that's Yorkshire pudding mix. So the Yorkshire pudding mixture has been in the fridge for about 24 hours now. I've given it a quick whiz up with a whisk. I'm now getting out the tray. This has been in here for a good half an hour to get really hot, 220 degrees, smoking hot as you can see. And now I simply fill the little cups up. I'm doing 4 of these. There we are, 1, 2, 3, 4. If you heard a sizzle, that's good. It means it's nice and hot. Now, be very careful. Back in on the top shelf for 15 minutes, after which I'll check to see how far it's risen. There we are. Set the timer. So 15 minutes are up, let's see how they are. Oh, that's hot. Beautiful, look at those. Wonderful dark cooked. That's after 15 minutes. I'm going to give them 10 more minutes at a little lower temperature, about 200 degrees, just to finish them off. So the Yorkshire's had 10 more minutes in the oven, and that's how they come out. Beautifully brown, crisp on the outside, soft on the inside. I'm lucky to live by the sea, and I get my fish fresh from Brixton Market. Today I'm going to cook a lovely piece of hake, but I've got the best batter recipe I've ever found. And the secret this time is the flour used. It should be gluten-free, self-raising flour. Gluten-free, self-raising flour. It makes a huge difference. The other ingredients are fizzy liquid. I like to use beer, but you can use tonic water, or you could use fizzy water. And half a teaspoonful of yeast, dried yeast. So all you do is mix them. So I'm going to put the flour in here for that small piece of hake. I'm using beer, so pour the beer in, give it a swirl around. It wants to be not too thick. A bit like, I'd say, double cream by the time you've finished. So look, that's coming together nicely there. That's probably enough beer now. I think, yes, now that's what I would have. In goes the yeast. Again, that helps to make bubbles, to make the batter lighter. But it's that gluten-free self-raising flour which is the secret of this recipe. That's it, ready to cook. That's Brixham out there across the bay, look. I'm lucky living here. Anyway, back to the cooking in my kitchen. And I'm going to show you where the fryer is for that lovely bit of hake. Here we go. I tend to cover my hake with a bit of flour. You don't have to, but I tend to. I think it sticks better to the batter. The batter now, look, is bubbly. That's the yeast. That's had about half an hour resting. So now, oil's at 170 degrees. Fish goes in the batter. Turn him over. You can see it's lovely, sticking nicely now. And of course, you lay it away from you in the machine. so you don't get splashed. There. So timer on for 6 minutes and we'll see how we do. Sizzle, sizzle, little fish. Now let me just show you how gorgeous this batter is. Hear the crunch? Look at that, it's perfect. That is the best fish batter recipe I know. Most cooks know about the triple cooked chips recipe. 4 minutes in boiling water, cool the chips, then 4 minutes in the deep fat fryer at 120 Celsius. And for the third cook, the oil temperature is raised to 190 and the chips get a final 1 or 2 minutes. But I've found a fourth way, which makes the chips even crispier. I let the chips cool for half an hour, then put them in an air fryer for 5 minutes, and they came out perfectly done. If you don't have an air fryer, use the ordinary conventional oven, turned up to maximum heat. It should take about 10 minutes for them to cook. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please subscribe to my channel, and also please press the like button below. Thank you.